think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe. And I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking the risk. I'ma take that risk.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Moody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you go ahead and click subscribe. I'm not a crazy uploader, so you don't have to worry about seeing me all the time. You know what I'm saying? But you're gonna see me when you see me. As you guys can tell by not only the title, but by, you know what I'm saying, me here, I am coming to you guys with a review, or with really an install of this Nadula hair blonde highlighted wig. Okay, I honestly can't give y'all too many like details on the wig, just because I've had this for a while, low-key, like for a couple months. I've had this and I finally brought it out, and I'm so glad I did. You know what I'm saying? It's the beginning of fall or whatever, and we just got a new little hair change. I mean, you have to change your hair at least with the seasons. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't gonna change it once a month, at least change it with the seasons. I'm new to kind of reviewing the wig, but what I will tell you is that, oh my god, I love the wig. The hair is so soft. It is tangle free. I've had no shedding. Only time I did have like shedding was when I like cut the lace and was like plucking it, but like other than that, I haven't had any. There's no like everyday shedding, nothing like that. I've actually worn this wig for about a week now. I just recently did the baby hairs because, like I said, I'm not good at baby hairs and I wasn't really going nowhere, so I went split it. But I was like, let me go ahead and do a little something like this little video or whatever. And yeah, I'm when I initially got this wig, I was actually nervous about the color. Anybody who knows me knows that like hair color is like, I'm so scared of like hair color, for real. So when it came in, it was like more of this brown, almost bronzy like brown, with the blonde highlights on top, which are not yellow, which I love. So they did kind of tone this. I was nervous about like this brown. I told y'all I didn't cut the lace in the back, but I was nervous about like this copper kind of bronze brown, but I love it. Okay, so back to doing the 360. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave the link down below. I will be buying more, you know what I'm saying, highlighted blonde units and units in general, and I'll be practicing my baby hairs a lot more. So you guys, oh wait, should I like, let me put a little, I'm gonna put a little something on the this right here. So, if you guys want to see how I struggled to install this wig, then just keep watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. I mean, can we have a moment for the ball cap, please? Can we please have a moment for the ball cap, y'all? Can we please have a moment for the ball cap? I'm sorry. Yes, leave our rubber bands in. Okay, y'all, so today I'm coming to you guys with a wig install. As I always do, y'all, I'm not a professional. You know, I'm really learning just like y'all are. That's why y'all want this video. And I've installed like, I've made a wig and I've installed like 2 wigs. But anyways, that's neither here or there. So today we are going to install this highlighted wig by Nadula hair. This is what it looks like. All I did was pluck the part some more. And I really was just like playing around to see what I could do, and that's why I did it. I'll put all of the information about this wig in the description box because I think it's a 12-inch. I honestly can't remember. I don't know why I ordered a 12, but it is a 13 by 6, if not a 13 by 4. Yeah, 13 by 6. The lace. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. Also has a little lace in the back. And it has adjustable straps as well. You know, do. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this on again. Okay, hold on. I don't. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. I don't know how to feel. What y'all think? Blonde ain't. I don't know if blonde is for me. I love blonde on everybody but myself. Ugh, I don't know. This might just be my new color. Period. This wig is extra big as well. Like for me, anyways. I'm going to have to cut off quite a bit.
Now, how you get that front part to hide?
With all this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut it.
Oh, I can do wet lace then. Oh, if that's all it is, let me do it. I can have you straight. I'm gonna cut it about right up in here. It's straight.
You ain't finna cut nothing.
It's straight. I cut it right up in here.
I'm ready to get it over with. I don't care about baby hairs no more. Oh! We back. Okay, we like a different person because we beat for one. For two, I mean, I don't have any edge bands, but I'm not mad at my baby hair because y'all don't understand. I cannot do baby hair, and I'm just like flabbergasted, no kizzy. Oh my god, I did it, y'all. I did what I was trying to do. All I had to do was lay it. I gotta get me an edge band. Okay, so I had to do my baby hair off camera because I struggle with it. I'm not like good at it. Like, I can't even do baby hair on my real hair, so it was like, you know, a struggle. So, but I'm like obsessed. I love it. This is almost like I ain't do nothing to the okay, I love this much more now that I look like somebody and etc. I still got the lace on the back part, y'all, because I didn't cut it before. Sorry, y'all, my camera head got too hot. You know what I'm saying? It got too hot up in here, I guess. And it cut off by itself, but I am done flat ironing my hair. I cannot lie to y'all. This might be my new color, okay? This might just be my new color, period.
When she with me, them other niggas is stink. And now with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo, they blind. She wanna roll it, she